Hey, hi guys. So here we'll be discussing couple of the scenarios which we face in day-to-day life. So here I will be going to discuss with you about if we click on any of the browser page. So if you are facing this kind of issue, like if it is redirecting to somewhere else every time, so and which you think that this is a kind of suspicious activity, then this kind of video is for you guys. So as of now I'm facing this sort of issue, so I thought of recording this one. So this same thing, you might do this sort of analysis to to protect your system from getting hacked. So let's just see this one. So here I'm opening my browser. So in this browser, like if I'm typing anything, so if let's consider, so as of now this is okay, running as an okay, but sometimes I found that it is giving see, I 2-3 times I have marked here as an back go, but it didn't clicked out. But by the third time it just, so I have seen these kind of multiple abnormalities in this scenario. So how to check these things? Like, see, just now I have clicked on something and it went to something, and like suddenly the page got disappeared. So these kind of abnormal things, so which you can see, and for which this analysis is there. So let's just see what is there which is causing these kind of things. So first thing, as per my experience, I'm telling, like, you go here in the more tools and see the extensions which are there. So see, these kind of extensions, we know that we have, if we have installed any sort of extensions, so these kind of like extensions, then we can understand these things. So here, how can you check that is you have downloaded from anywhere, or is that the package, like, if any sort of package is got loaded in the system. So let's just consider this one, that is, so if I scroll down a bit, so these are the, like, extensions which are this allowed or disallowed, those things. So if you wanted to check the authority of these things, so go here in the details. So scroll bit down. I'll just manage this one. So if you just scroll down, you will see the what and all the permissions it has, and the specific is that which is the source. So this is the important thing. So Chrome, I have downloaded from the Chrome. Okay, so like cookies extension. So if I paste it, so this will take the extension from the Google Chrome. Okay, so let's consider. So here will be the description, what exactly it will be. So we have checked for that one. Then let's check for the DuckDuckGo. So this is one sort of, again. So here also you can see the Chrome Web Store. Okay. So here, as I saw, so these kind of the others are like, so you can check by the, like, the logo sign as well. So sometimes it happens that logo sign is not there and it's just a basic thing. So this one I found very different one apart from these other ones by checking the details. And let's just see about the details of this one. So it's on, no permission and description is provided, that is suspicious. Next one, what it does is inspects the background pages. So whatever we opens, that those informations are, it's sending it to the hacker. So what and all the permissions, so we have not given any permission, but what the permission it is taking. read your browser history, display notification, these kind of history, know your manage your apps, extensions and themes. So it can manage everything. If I'm opening anything from the browser, it can send those information back to the hacker. So here the next thing which I told you about the source. In the previous one it was saying about the Chrome extension. So which from where it is loading. So see here the location of the this one from which this kind of a package is getting loaded. So in this one there might be two scenarios where if you have loaded any packages, let's consider if any developer is there, and developer so software developer, those ones, so if it is not if their packages are not uploaded to the Google authority, it is not signed by the Google authority, then they might use these kind of packages over here to just load it and unpack it, so then they can use it for their usual things. But so we can get to know that if we have installed any sort of packages as a home user, we can understand these things. So let's just check in this location, is there any packages is there. See, we can check it by using this task manager to check that if any sort of different name we are finding which are like the suspicious one. But here as of now I'm not finding anything like basic, like any sort of true name but if we are a beginner, if we are not familiar with this one, then you can just go with this one as a very basic thing. So let's just consider this one, checking by this one. I'm just opening this PC. Let's just go here, send it. There's nothing. There's nothing, right? So let's just go here and search here for ext. So as per that, it is a loaded package. It might be a normal extension file, or it might be a folder. But let's just see if any folder or that extension file, sorry, that file is there, not an extension file, but that file is there. So see, we can see there is one ext1 is there. So if I see that one, it's an empty, there is nothing in that one. Then see, we are unable to see any sort of files or any sort of folder which is having the name ext, no only. So let it just load. Yeah, it's loaded. So let's see any file name as an ext, nothing. There is no file as an ext. So you might think that why your antivirus or your defender is not has not considered it as an any sort of malware or trojan. Let me just clear, any sort of malware or trojan viruses are there. So there are two categories, like malware trojan, that is comes under one category, and one is like normal virus. So normal virus can be detected by using Windows Defender, but these sort of malwares which are advanced kind of malwares, so those can't be detected by the Windows Defender. There are less chances. I'm saying like there are chances are there, but which are less, very less. So in that case we can use this sort of methodology to check it. So I have checked it under, till now we have checked it under this path, but we didn't got. So there might be chances that if anyone is searching and if they got to know from here, so there might be a spoofing. So it might possible that we are sending it, like we are telling sorry, they are telling like it is from this location, but it is not available at the location. So next my recommendation is to do the Windows or Defender scan But if you are not getting anything in the Windows Defender scan, then the best way I will be telling is to go for this Malwarebytes. Like you can download this Malwarebytes for your home purpose, and you don't need it. So basically, in this one, it, it is an anti-malware software, and which is a free version. You can just download it, and so as I said, so once you scan with this Malwarebytes, so I'll just show you the report, and I'll just keep this one on this side so you can just view it parallelly, and I'll just take this one. So I have just taken this Malwarebyte report. It's like this one I'm using as a free version. So if you see over here, so this just let me, so see exactly this malware, it has sat into the Google Chrome application, and it's an DLL, it's a link. See, if any file, if it has to open, so it will go through this DLL files. So these kind of files, if I would like to show that why this is triggering this kind of things. So let's just go here back to, let's just open this path first. So I'll just open this Explorer, this one under x36, it was under Google Chrome application. So this is the Verizon TLL which it is talking about. So I'll just minimize this one. Let's just go. So if you wanted to test it out, you can go into virus total. So here you can just upload this DLL. So before getting it, that is it done legitimate or not. See, if you have seen this one, see here, I have opened this URL, I have clicked on this URL, but where is it going? This is going to somewhere else which I have not clicked as well. So this is kind of some abnormalities which I was talking about. So here if I go, I choose the file location, so I'll copy this location from here, I'll just paste it out over here, click OK, Verizon.dll. So it will just check out and just browse it. So okay, so if you have seen, there are multiple antiviruses are there which have not detected till now it doesn't any sort of suspicious activity, but some of them are having, like, it has, you have seen this one packed, it's a packed version. So if I see these details, it has analyzed by today itself. Yeah, I have just analyzed this one. So yeah, that's the same thing. Like, if a single engine also detects this one, then it means that is a super suspicious activity. So if this is some sort of analysis which you can do, so that's it. And if you have to do it, then you can just make it work, quarantine it, and it is taking it will take a bit long time. And once you scanned it properly, then it will just ask for this computer to be restarted. So that's the same thing which I was talking about. So hope you understood this one. If you have any queries with regards to these kind of analysis, so you can just ping me. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, bye, thank you.